Imagine a blue sphere suspended in the void, constantly crossed by invisible forces shaping its surface, its oceans, its vast stretches of ice. This planet, Earth, lives and breathes through phenomena that, for millennia, have remained mysterious and impenetrable to human eyes. And yet, today, something is changing. Orbiting around this small world is a new silent witness. NISAR, the most advanced radar satellite ever created through collaboration between the United States and India, an instrument capable of scrutinizing every corner of the planet with a precision that borders on the miraculous. This is not science fiction, but cutting-edge technology manifesting in its purest form. As humanity faces unprecedented challenges, from rising sea levels to melting glaciers, from hydrogeological instability to earthquakes, NISAR flies over the Earth, able to detect ground variations as small as 1 centimeter, even beneath thick layers of clouds, pouring rain, or dense tropical forests. At the heart of this marvel is a dual-band radar, a synergy of expertise that combines the power of the L-band, developed by NASA, and that of the S-band, created by ISRO, the Indian Space Agency. These two souls, integrated into a single device, allow NISAR to see what our eyes, or even the best optical satellites, cannot even imagine. But what does it really mean to see with a next-generation radar? It means literally penetrating beyond appearances. The signals emitted by NISAR pass through clouds, penetrate vegetation, and return loaded with information about deformations in the Earth's crust, movements of Antarctic glaciers, changes in river deltas, variations in groundwater. In just a few minutes, this satellite can scan areas as vast as entire nations, building a dynamic, three-dimensional map of the changes taking place on the planet's surface. The launch of NISAR represents a historic turning point not only for Earth observation science but also for international cooperation. It is the first time that two technological powers have shared every phase of such a complex mission, uniting hardware, software, and above all, strategic vision. NISAR does not simply send data to selected laboratories. Its information is distributed in real time to scientists all over the world, who use it to monitor critical phenomena such as Arctic ice retreat, subsidence in coastal cities, or landslides in mountainous regions. For the first time, science can rely on an instrument capable of seeing Earth with new eyes, able to capture even the smallest signals of change, signals that can make the difference between an averted catastrophe and a foreseen disaster. Let us think, for example, how NISAR's information can be used to predict earthquake risks in high seismicity areas. Every ground deformation, even imperceptible, can be the prelude to a large-scale tectonic shift. Thanks to data collected by the radar, geologists can map active faults, measure the pressures accumulating underground, and identify areas where alert levels need to be raised. Or imagine the immense icy expanses of Greenland and Antarctica. NISAR's radar detects in real time the thickness of the ice, its movements, the cracks that form and widen, the flows of liquid water hidden beneath the surface. This data is crucial for understanding how rapidly the ice is contributing to sea level rise, and therefore for designing adaptation and mitigation strategies against coastal erosion and flooding. But NISAR's reach goes beyond simple data collection. This satellite also introduces a conceptual revolution in the way we think about planetary monitoring. Until now, most satellites were designed to photograph Earth, producing two-dimensional images, beautiful but often limited. NISAR, on the other hand, builds three-dimensional and dynamic models, able to portray not just the appearance but also the movement, the evolution, the very pulse of the Earth's surface. Thanks to an unprecedented revisit frequency, the same location can be observed several times over just a few days, allowing scientists to track the evolution of a phenomenon almost in real time. A sudden flood, a landslide, a worsening drought. Everything becomes traceable, analyzable, predictable. In a world where climate change is accelerating and natural disasters are becoming more frequent, This ability for continuous and detailed observation is a formidable defensive tool. And yet, perhaps NISAR's greatest quality lies in its ability to stimulate new questions, as well as to provide answers. What hidden effects are human activities having on the Earth's crust? How do wetlands, rivers, and lakes really evolve under the pressure of a growing world population and a changing climate? Are there weak signals, patterns of change that only a vigilant and constant eye like NISAR's can catch, but that could prove crucial for our collective future? It is no coincidence that, in its first months of operation, NISAR's data has already ignited the enthusiasm of geologists, climatologists, agronomists, civil engineers, and even biodiversity researchers. Its versatility enables applications ranging from food security, monitoring subsidence in farmland and the evolution of aquifers, to the management of critical infrastructure such as bridges, dams, and railways, which can be constantly monitored to detect abnormal movements or structural failures before it is too late. Thus NISAR becomes not only an instrument of knowledge but also a silent guardian, capable of preventing tragedies, optimizing resources, and inspiring new land management policies. The challenge now lies in transforming this immense quantity of information into concrete actions, into innovative solutions, into a new pact between humanity and the planet that centers on science, cooperation, and a shared vision of the future. The global scope of this mission extends far beyond the polar regions or major coastal cities. NISAR can monitor the most remote rainforests, revealing details of illegal deforestation processes that often escape traditional controls. By analyzing ground deformations, it identifies illegal mining operations and can even help save endangered ecosystems by highlighting changes in moisture patterns or vegetation cover that foreshadow fires, droughts, or infestations. On the African continent, for example, the continuous observation of underground water resources, made possible by NISAR's ultra-precise radar, represents a cornerstone for sustainable water management, one of the 21st century's most urgent challenges. In South America, on the other hand, mapping the Amazon rivers and their cyclical flooding enables better crop planning, reducing risks for local communities. But the ability to read the hidden signs of change is not limited to Earth's surface. NISAR can also see through vegetation, reconstructing the three-dimensional structure of forests, estimating biomass and therefore the carbon dioxide absorption potential, one of the main levers in the fight against global warming. The potential of this mission is so vast that many are starting to wonder what unexpected discoveries it will bring in the coming years. We may find new active faults where we do not suspect any dangers today, or finally understand why some regions seem immune to certain natural disasters, while others are cyclically affected. Perhaps, thanks to NISAR's data, we will be able to predict with greater advance the floods that devastate the plains of South Asia, or reduce the number of victims caused by earthquakes in the most densely populated regions of the planet. The enormous amount of data generated each day by NISAR is processed by sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms, which learn to recognize recurring patterns, anomalies, and weak signals that might escape a traditional human analysis. In this way, the satellite is not just an eye on the world, but also a mind capable of transforming raw information into useful, usable, and above all, timely knowledge. And as science moves forward by leaps and bounds, the scope of the NISAR mission also becomes an issue of ethical and political responsibility. Who will have access to this data? How will it be used? Will governments, NGOs, businesses, and citizens be able to turn knowledge into concrete choices for the protection of the planet? The challenge is open, but one thing is certain. With NISAR in orbit, nothing will ever be the same again. For the first time in its history, Earth has a tireless guardian that observes, records, warns, and protects. A guardian that, thanks to human intelligence and international cooperation, gives us the chance to read in real time the secret diary of our planet, learning something new every day about who we are, where we live, and what future we might build together. If you've made it this far, it means you love curiosity as much as we do. If you enjoyed this journey, leave a like, write a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to support what we do. Your presence truly makes a difference. Until the next exploration.